Every morning, before the first light of the sun touched the sky, a rooster was already awake. His name was Nizlo, proud, energetic, and loyal to his duty. With his powerful crow, Nizlo woke the entire farm. He was not just a rooster, he was a living alarm clock. His voice saved the farmers from laziness and delay. Nizlo believed he was serving a purpose. But instead of gratitude, he received cruelty. Harsh words followed his every call. Sometimes stones were thrown toward him without aim. People said his crowing destroyed their sleep. Day after day, Nizlo endured the insults in silence. He never complained. He only fulfilled his duty. But silent endurance slowly turns into exhaustion. One cloudy morning, the scolding hurt deeper than ever before. Nizlo flew and sat quietly on his favorite fence. He stared at the distant horizon, thinking deeply. Where effort has no value, proving yourself again is foolish. Leaving with self-respect is sometimes the wisest choice. There was no anger in his heart, only deep tiredness. Nizlo took a breath and crowed one final time. Then he spread his wings and left the farm forever. That night, an unusual silence covered the farm. No warning came before dawn. Thieves who knew the farm's routine took advantage. While everyone slept, they stole everything. Animals disappeared without a sound. Morning arrived with shock and emptiness. Only then did the farmers understand the truth. Nizlo didn't only wake them, he protected them. But realization came too late. On the bank of a vast river lived a turtle named Amara. Calm in nature, strong in spirit, and kind by heart. Every day he crossed dangerous waters, not for himself, but for a friend. That friend was Nico, a restless frog. Nico complained constantly and feared deep water, yet he never tried to learn how to swim. He believed Amara was obligated to carry him. For years, Amara carried Nico on his back. Not once did Nico say thank you. The day a drought lowered the river, stones appeared. Seeing a shortcut, Nico jumped off Amara's back. He crossed alone, without a word or goodbye. Amara stood alone in the river. The weight he felt was not physical, but emotional. That night, an old heron sat beside him. "Not every burden is meant to be carried," the heron said. "Choose wisely who rides on your back." A tear rolled down Amara's eye. That day, Amara forgave himself. He released the resentment from his heart. Rain returned, and the river grew again. Nico wanted to cross, but there was no turtle. Fear stopped him at the shore. Meanwhile, Amara lived peacefully elsewhere. In a neglected alley lived a wounded cat named Nico. He survived on scraps and fear. Every morning he sat before a luxurious house. An empty bowl waited beside the closed door. Nico hoped someone would show kindness. A woman inside watched, but never opened the door. One winter morning, a golden cat spoke softly. "This door will never open for you. You were not born to wait forever." Nico looked at the door one last time. With no anger, only clarity, he walked away. Knocking on closed doors slowly kills the soul. Forgiveness means choosing peace over pain. Learn to put down what disrespects you, because the one who frees himself quietly never truly loses.
If you enjoyed these stories, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Your one comment inspires me to create better stories. Thank you everyone for giving so much love. We'll meet again with a new story.